Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. And today I'm here with the only subject that I usually actually cover in this channel. Mostly. I mean, I haven't really covered anything except this recently. And yeah, pure maths paper 3 variant 2 May June 2024. Pure maths 3. Yeah. Um, I mean, I really want to cover other subjects, but I find myself only doing P3 whenever I make a video or something. And today I will be like trying to solve it as a mock. Like checking answers after completing the whole paper and then checking the time and all. Like it is if the exam is of 1 hour 50 minutes in my coaching mocks I usually get 1 hour 30 minutes. So yeah, we get actually 20 minutes less to complete it, which is actually a good practice. Like if you can complete a paper within 1 hour 30 minutes, then you will be in a pretty comfortable position in the main exam. So this is about actually almost 2 hours of paper, 1 hour 50 minutes, and like my goal will today will also be to try to finish it within 1 hours and 30 minutes. Obviously, if I am not able to finish it within 1 hour 30 minutes, I will take that extra 20 minutes. But to the safe side, I will try my best to finish it with 1 or 30 minutes, and I will also be following the strategy that really helped me last year. Like is and the strategy is to solve the easy questions like first. Like not the strategy of doing every question step by step or like from the first to the last. Not the strategy to start from the last. I don't know why, but some people follow the strategy like starting from the very last question and then gradually solving the first question. I'm actually not doing that. I will be actually solving the question that I feel will be fast and easy to solve, because like that builds confidence and that also doesn't mess with your brain that much, so you can actually use it for the hard questions. Because sometimes it have happened me a lot of times that, let's say, you're solving a hard question and after that even easy questions feel exhausting, like your brain is exhausted by the point. So like you face problems even solving the easy ones. So yeah, I don't want that. And like I'm also solving a PDF, so like it's hard to, and it's like quite a hassle to like go through the questions and figure out which are the easy ones. Like for the main, like if you have a paper, you can just easily like turn the pages around and figure out the easy questions. Like it's easy. But like I have to make a video, so that's why I'm doing it in PDF. So like soon, I guess I wouldn't really make much videos. This project, like yeah, it's not that successful either. Like, but I just make videos so that but I'm the reason why I'm still making videos is because I like doing it, and sometimes it helps me as well. Like let's say I did a part of a question, I just don't remember how I did it, so like I go back to the video and I check, yeah, how did I did it. So yeah, like I'm also giving a bit of backstory because I feel like it's necessary. It might be my last video before the exam, I'm not sure, maybe not. But yeah, like and the strategy of doing the easy question first, like don't take it lightly, guys. Like unless you're a brilliant student who scores like full marks in your exams, by following whatever strategy you follow, don't take this lightly, because I literally went from a D in AS math to a B. Like I actually gave AS math 2 times. The first time in October November 2024, the second time in October November 2025. So not October November 2025, May June 2025, like last year. So yeah, I actually went from D to B. I won't say that it was solely because of the strategy, but it helped me a lot in P1. Like I remember the first P1 exam that I gave, I actually ran out of time. I actually like spent a lot of time in questions that I shouldn't have, and I had to, like, I had no time to solve some of the easy questions. The paper was also weird at ASF, unlike last year's P1. But yeah, like that strategy has helped me a lot, and I had a bit more practice, so I knew, like, I was like used to solve the paper within 1 hour 30 minutes. Anyway, so I guess I'm giving a lot of. It's 7:46 right now. I will not make the video like solving the entire paper. I mean that would be like too boring. So like if like while solving, if I feel like, oh okay, I need to tell something here, so maybe I will do it. But I plan to like make the checking video actually, like after I solve the whole paper, then I will like continue the video from like like checking the video, like. And I don't expect to do well because I know where I stand, and I know there are some chapters that I need to revise, or some chapters that I need to like master a bit more. So I actually don't plan to do really good in this paper, but I need to see, like I need to see like where I stand. I mean I know where I stand, but I just like, yeah, I just thought of doing a paper because I like have a mock tomorrow, so I need to practice. But yeah, let's see. And yeah, again, like if I say something, I mean okay, I mean this I will like pause the recording. So anyways, I don't think I would need to write Spider-Man like my previous two videos or three. Anyway, so like it's 7:47. I plan to start at 7:50, so that I mean PM, so 7:50 PM, 10 minutes. So I will have 140 minutes. So mm, yeah, like yes. So sorry, something came up. So like I should finish it by 9:40. My target will be to finish it by 9:20. And yeah, like unless something comes up, like this, I need to go to the washroom, maybe I'm hungry, I need to eat a bit. So yeah, unless those things come up, and I will try not to do any of those things, because I want it to feel like a mock. And we're only 7 minutes in, and I'm just doing bok. Anyways, so I will not. Okay, by the way, guys, also something like if you guys are like solving past papers, like the PDF like properly, like the actual type of past paper type. I mean, like not. I mean, like if it has this section, try to like fill it so like when you go to the exam, you remember your candidate number and center number. I mean, those will be written in your statement of entry or whatever, but it's still a good practice to remember it. Like it's still a good practice to remember your candidate number and your center number. I remember my center number since like that's been the same since 2024. I know my name, but yeah, like I would say like fill this info as well so that you just remember. Okay, it's good if you remember. Anyways, I will just write my name. I will not write my center number and candidate number right now, but I will write later. But yeah, for the video I will not be writing those. Okay, okay, so I'm like a mini list 751. Let's start. Okay, so ignore the background noise. Like, I mean, I don't think so. You should get many. So like this is like question number 7, and yeah, I'm following the strategy of doing the ones that I find easy like first. So I just did the question because compared to the other questions, I thought this would take less time, and it is like it was pretty tricky. I don't know like if this working is correct or not. I have to check, but yeah, it just somehow matched. I mean, cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta, but here I need to prove that cos 2 theta is cos to the power 4 theta minus sin to the power 4 theta. So like detail just I don't know like what I basically did is like to prove that cos to the power 4 theta minus sin to the power 4 theta is identical to cos square theta minus sin square theta. So in that way it is identical to cos 2 theta. But isn't it weird? You like it's like saying a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 is identical to a square minus b square. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think this is correct, but I'm not sure. I have to check later. Okay, forget the time that I said at the beginning because I had to take a break for some this and that. I will have to take one or two more breaks, like so, and I just somehow burned my finger. So, yeah, it's really paining right now. So, I have like a timer in front of me, so I will like use that. Okay, so out of this, like something funny happened. Basically, I ordered, like I was hungry, so I ordered like a chocolate brownie online. And like I like brownie, but I haven't like eaten much. Maybe two times in my life. That's about it. So now, I thought, why, let's order a brownie. So I ordered a brownie, and now they call me and tell me that brownie isn't available. I mean, bro, like, then shouldn't you like update your listing online? That, I mean, like it's a brownie, why isn't it available? Anyways, so now they told me about the other options that are available, and I couldn't hear them properly. And the person like was describing a few things to me, like we have this and what is this, blah blah blah. And so the last thing he told me was like 20 taka less. So like he told me, you can take like a chocolate for 20 taka, and we can send you this. So I told, okay, send it. Now it's coming, and I don't know what I ordered. So like I know they maybe are sending a 20 taka chocolate. I don't know what chocolate can they send for 20 taka. But yeah, so now I have no idea what I'm going to eat. Like, I mean, what are they sending? I have no idea. I couldn't hear them properly, but I was hungry, so I thought, just send whatever. So yeah, let's see. Okay, is it me, or is this paper just wicked? I mean, I don't know. Like, I had a few distractions, but still, this paper doesn't feel like a good paper. I know that's. Was it really a hard paper, or am I tripping? Maybe I am. Anyway, by the way, about the food thingy. So basically, they sent me a Turkish milk cake and a sixer share of chocolate. Oh wait, yeah. Sorry if I heard any noise. Anyways, okay, I know this is not really tomato, but anyways, I just want to say it. And the Turkish milk cake wasn't bad, but it had yogurt, and I am not really a fan of yogurt. So brownie on top. Anyways, let's do this math. I mean, how do this? Like, I understand like cos 4 to the power, I mean cos to the power 4 theta minus sin to the power 4 theta might be written as cos 2 theta, and I've also integrated it with half sin 2 theta. Now, how do I integrate sin square theta and cos square theta? Man, I'm thankful that this is not my main exam, otherwise I would be like, I mean my B would have gotten to an E or even an U if this is how it where goes. Anyways, okay, so you know what? I'm calling it. Full episode press. Anyways, I don't think so. So actually, it took me about an hour to do whatever I did, and I and like it's not one of my greatest solves. I mean, not solves. Like it's not it's not my one of. Okay, let's call it solve. Not one of my greatest solves ever. It's actually one of my worst solves ever. But and if it was even a mock exam, I would try to do this and that, to try to get as many marks as possible. But I'm just not feeling it anymore. And there are some points where after that I don't know what to do. Like maybe I need to spend 10 minutes to figure it out. And I just don't want to do that. I just like I didn't give that much effort here. I just did whatever I could, and now I will like check like what my problems are and why I'm not doing. Like here, for this example, I know what to do. Like I know that I need to bring x in one side. I need to bring theta in one side, and then I need to do integration. But I forgot that do I need to do integration both sides? And if yes, like I mean I think that makes more sense. Like doing integration on one side doesn't. Then like I also know that I have to add plus on only one side, but I'm not sure. Like here for example, I took x plus 3 out. Do I need to integrate x plus 3? Or do I just integrate 1 by x square plus 9, which I did. This is 3 by the way. And what will I get if I integrate sine theta by cos 4 theta? I actually forgot this one. Like I knew this one how to do this, but I actually forgot. And yeah, I'm also not good with Argand diagrams still, and I need to do B to solve this. So like there are many reasons why I got stuck. And here I actually don't remember what happens when like line 1 passes through this and that, so what to do, how to figure it out. It's kind of common of a question, but I don't remember. Here I don't know what to do. Like what do I do here? I did this somehow, I don't know if it's correct or not. I don't know how the integration will go after that. I did this one. I should remember the meaning of convergence. I don't remember how to do this part. It's easy. It's 1 mark. I actually don't remember how to. I actually don't remember a lot of things, and I know that. So I actually don't remember how to do like how to differentiate an equation which has both y and x in it. I'm pretty sure it's a math of logarithm, but again I don't know. Is this correct? Like I mean it isn't. And I need the equation to do part B. Is this correct? Maybe not. I checked on my calculator and it isn't. I don't know why it isn't correct. Maybe I made a calculation error. Is this correct? I have no idea. What will the graph be? Okay, you know what? I think I can do the graph. Let me try. I think this might be it, but I'm not sure. I have to check. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys heard me because I don't remember if I was holding the mic or not, but yeah. I said that I'm not sure if this is correct or not, but I have to check. Okay. Yeah. Hey guys. So it's actually the next day, and like it's morning, so ignore all the background noises that you might hear. Like I mean I'm not sure how much can you hear, but noise is actually greater like in the morning. I mean in the daytime in general. So I didn't check it yesterday because like I don't know, like I wasn't really feeling it, and so I should have done it yesterday, but I just wasn't feeling it. So I have the question, I mean like the mark scheme in front of me. Let's check it. Okay, I'm gonna use red. So I don't know why, but I always forget the modulus graph are supposed to be like this. It will be this. Kind of like I'm not like it's not proper, but yeah. Okay, so next we have number B. Solve the linear equation or inequality to obtain a critical value. So yeah, we have actually obtained one of the critical values, which is like this, which is correct. Okay, so we have like 1 mark. We get for 1 mark for that. Okay, wait. Do we get any marks for that? No, we don't get any mark for it. So we have 1 mark for it. Wait, so that's it. I mean, the final answer is this. X is wait, x is less than a. Let me just do something. Let's say this is A and this is 5 by 3a. So one is that it can be less than a. It can be between a and 5 by 3, and it can be greater than 5 by 3a. But it is less than 5 by 3a. Okay, so we don't consider this for some reason. Okay, so I have actually understood about it. So first of all, about the critical values, right? We have x equals to a and x equals to 5 by 3a. But we will not take x equals to a. The reason being, like if we input the value of like a, like 2a minus 3a, then we actually get negative a. And obviously modulus of x minus 2a will be, so we will get a. So since a is a positive constant, it cannot be negative. So this does not, I mean, we don't consider it. Okay, that was I was trying to tell. So yeah, we do not take x is equal to negative. We do not take this. Okay, so it's like not applicable. And for this one we do take this, and for the, like for 2x minus, for this, like 2x minus 3, there will actually a line go on, like kind of like this. I'm not sure. Yeah, just straight line will go on with a negative gradient, and since the critical is 5 by 3, so we have got a 5 by 3 here. And we basically take x equals to, x is, what was the answer again? Wait, yeah, x is less than or equal to 5, so not less than or equals to 5 by 3, we take x is less than 5 by 3a. Okay, wait, x minus 0 of x minus 2a, and this is the so since 2x minus 3a is less than x minus 2 modulus of x minus 2a, we take x is less than 5 by 3a, not x is greater than 5 by 3a. Anyways, so I actually made a mistake here. I don't know what the mistake is. I think it's a calculation mistake, so let me see. So basically, since the square is like equal, I mean the degree is like equal both in the numerator and in the denominator, we can just do this. We have to include a constant called plus c. Okay, wait, how do we find c then? Okay, so we can find c by like dividing 6 by 2. So c will actually be 3. So the actual equation, wait, do I have space? Yeah, I do. Then it will become 6x square minus 9x minus 1 x minus 4 2x plus 3 ax minus 4 plus b 2x plus 3 plus 3. Oh, I forgot to mention. So then we have c, the constant is 3. In the mark scheme, actually they took the constant a, and instead of like, wait, let me show you. Me mark scheme. Okay, I took the constant as C, the mark scheme took it as A. Then yeah, I took it A and mark scheme C. So like just in case you see the mark scheme, so yeah. You know what? No wait. I think constant C as a constant makes more sense. Why do you feel like I've done this question before? Like have I? Okay, maybe no, maybe yes. I don't remember. Man, this helicopter. Imagine someone giving ACC right now. Wait, it might be a plane. I think it's a plane, not a helicopter, sorry. Anyways, back to the business. What do we do? Where are we getting 6 news? You know, let's just do it. 6x square minus 9x minus 1. A times 2x plus 3 plus b times x minus 4 plus 3 times what both? I'm actually trying this, I'm not sure if this is the correct way. So let's say if x is equals to 4, we get, I've already done this, so 59. Wait, yeah, I made a huge mistake here actually. So we get 6x square minus 9x minus 16 become 4. We get 44. Equals to 11a, b is gone. Wait, what will we do by finding the constant again? Okay, wait, I think I know. It will be 0. Yeah, it will be 0. So if a equals to 4, right? And they took a as c, so yeah. First, we got our first one correct. You know what, I'm actually gonna erase this, or maybe just shorten it and keep it inside. Nope. Why isn't it selecting the parts? Okay. Yeah. Okay, wait, what? Is there? Let's take x as negative 3 by 2. So a is getting cancelled out, x minus 4. B should be 11 by -2. Yeah. And we already know what the constant is, so 6 square minus 9x. Okay, so this is what I didn't know actually, that I need a constant. Okay, so I'm surprised to find out that I have actually gained 2 marks here, because like the first mark is for this, the second mark is for this, and I have just made a small error here. It should be like this: y is equals to ln bx by ln a square b plus ln a square b. So, yeah, I mean, wait, ln a square plus ln b is actually ln a square b, so I mean, yeah, that kind of makes sense. So anyway, so it's actually in the form, let's say, m x plus c. So then we need to write something like since this is actually the main mark for, I mean the third mark, since this is in the form of y is equals to mx plus c, where m and c are constants, the graph of y against x is a straight line, something like this. Then for part B, given that a is equals to b cube, I think I know what that means. So basically y is equals to ln b by ln b cube b. I can think we can include the x here safely. Then ln b cube ln b cube square. Wait, I didn't include square here. B. So should be ln bx ln b 3 to 2. Wait, I forgot that. Should we multiply or should we add? Let me just check quickly. Yeah, we should multiply. So ln b 6 plus b, so ln b 7 actually. Yeah. Ln b cube ln b 7. We can actually do this. Can we like wait? Ln 5. Um, Wait a minute. How do we do the ln b by ln b to the power 7? So will it be 1 by ln b to the power 6? Wait. Okay, so it should be ln b by 7 ln b x plus ln, no, 3 ln b 7 ln b, cut. So 1 by 7 x plus 3 by 7. Is this what they asked for? Yeah. So yeah, that's how it works. You have 3c now. I'm come to think of it, it wasn't that hard. I just messed up this one and I don't know why I was not able to do this one. But I could have at least did till like here. Okay, sorry, had to take a break. Anyways, yeah. So here, I wasn't able to do it. I don't know why. Like, we literally given y is equals to 1. I think we can first substitute it in here and then get an x equation or whatever. Like, let's try. Y is equals to 1. So if y is equals to 1, we get e to the power 2x plus e to the power x is equals to 6. Okay. Okay. I'm getting it. E to the power. We can find the value of x in this way actually. Like, let e to the power x equals to a. Now let's take it b. So we will have b square plus b minus 6 equals to 0. And then 1 b is actually really bad. Let's take it d. So we get 2 3 negative 3. Now, are we told anything? No. So do we take ax is equals to 2 or ax equals to negative 3? I don't think the negative thing is going to work because ln is gonna come here, so yeah. So we take so basically x equals to ln 2, right? Yeah. Then, so wait. If we get ex equals to 2, then would it be y times 2 square plus y square times 2 is equals to 6? Will it be it? 4y plus 2y square equals to 6. Will it be it? And we just found the value of d, right? So this should be it. And if we solve the equation, wait. We're getting 1 and minus 3. I mean, what we will do to find the value of y though? Wait. Um, Basically, this math is a pain in the ass. Anyways, so I figured out what to do. So we just we just keep this invention right here for now, and then this one for invention. So basically, the coordinates are ln 2 and 1. Anyways, so now we actually differentiate. Wait. Yeah, we actually differentiate the equation. So if we differentiate y e to the power 2x, we actually wait. So here we u is actually y, u prime is 1, v to the power 2x, v prime is 2e 2x. So differentiate, it will be e to the power 2x times 1. I'm not writing that. Wait, no. Oh, I'm not sure why. I don't remember. Yeah, it will be like this. And then I'm just not gonna do it. I'm just gonna write it. It will be man. Y square e to the power x plus 2y ex dy dx. Okay, and then it will plus 0. We need to find the gradient of the curve, right? I don't know, man. I don't know. Life sucks. But if you ask me where did this equal to 0 come from, I have no idea. So what we do? What do we do? Okay, so we figured out e to the power 2x is equals to 4. So we write dy by dx times 4 plus 2y e to the power 2x is 2y to the power times 4. Y is 1, by the way. Damn, we have run out of space. So basically 8 dy by dx plus 10 equals to 0. 8 dy by dx negative 10. Dy by dx is negative 10 by 8. Negative 1.25. Done. or you can also write it negative 5 by 4. The mark scheme, yeah, you can do it both. Okay, so I just found out is that it is because the differentiation of y is not 1 here. We are differentiating, I don't know whatever, so it's actually not 1, is supposed to be dy by dx. So it is about dx by dy by dx. So then we get dy by dx, it is about 2x plus this is that. Okay, so yeah, I missed that. Okay, so yeah, this was an easy one. Okay, let me do the rating actually. So it's like 2x is equals to ln 5 plus cos 3x, and taking what's there a bracket? Yeah. Easy math, easy. Wait, is my answer correct? Oh no. That's a 0. Wait, damn it, I missed this part. Sorry if you heard that. I don't know, like, will they accept 0.474? I mean, they should. I mean, maybe not. So it clearly says to give it a 3 I think, yeah, 1 mark, they will cut 1 mark. I'm not sure. Let me check the result value of m. 1 by a. Yeah, it's like fine, but this is what they wanted, so I think it's fine. Man, this shit is it's frying my brain. I didn't do integration first, did I? Should be negative 1 by a x e to the power minus. If this can make sense, plus, or we take 1 by a common. I feel bad for the students who gave this paper. Or maybe I don't know, maybe it wasn't that hard for them, but now I feel bad for me. Why did I even think of doing this paper? Let me search something online. Okay, so I just checked that famous website with a robot in it. You all know Reddit. And yeah, I found out this paper was actually hard. I mean, yeah, you almost heard that every year that this year's paper was really hard. It was the worst paper of all time, even from people who have done like 20 years of past paper or whatever. But this paper is genuinely hard, man. My condolences to those who gave this paper, and I hope that our paper that's in a few days isn't that hard. Like, if this is type of paper, like, you're gonna messed up. Okay, nothing is out of the syllabus, but why is every question like so freaking hard? I mean, Where is the balance? Like, I can understand some questions be difficult, but some questions being like average and easy. But it's like they they made the hardest question possible from every chapter that they could fit in this 2 hour long paper. I mean, I've given so many mocks till now, and I have had some bad papers, but this is just another level, bro. Like, I feel bad for those who are like a year senior of me. I mean, I'm originally a 23 batch, so I have some issues due to which I am giving my A levels this year. I mean, A2, I should have given it last year. I should already be in uni by now. Anyways, but so originally they're like my 1 year senior batch, and also technically same batch as me because I started school with with uh, students of the 22 batch. But my originally, like, for the most of my life I've been with the 23 batch. I started with the 23 batch, so that's like my origin. That's like my original batch. But my first batch was like the 22 batch, and thankfully I didn't continue in that batch. Um, Otherwise I would have missed out. Like, what is this? Like, what the hell is this? I don't even want to solve it anymore. Like, I am just planning to, you know what, let's don't do it, let's stop it right here. But the only reason why I'm continuing is I'm making a video. Otherwise I'd just given up. No, I'm not gonna solve this paper. Like, this is beyond me. Anyways, okay, so what we do is we do this. Hopefully you guys understood, like, minus minus positive, so like if it was like 1 by a here, so yeah. So then we do this shit, and then we do the whatever. Like, we subtract the upper limit from the lower limit, we get equations, blah blah blah, and the final answer we get this. I'm not doing all that shit here. I don't know, man. I don't know. Wow. The next question is you know, I just I don't know if you guys remember this or not. This is actually a common thing that we get while doing maths. Also like this. I don't know why. This is like a really common answer. I mean 6, 7, yeah. From letters you simplify cos 4 minus theta minus sine 4 theta from correct working. Okay. I don't know if is this the correct working, guys? Is this the correct working? Yeah, this is the correct working. I don't know. It matched this identity. There are maybe a billion ways to even do this. Oh man, the double and the formula. Why are we getting so sine square 2 theta? What is sine square 2 theta? How would we know what is sine square 2 theta? Sine 2 theta is 2 sine a whole square, sine square 2 theta. Okay, so sine square 2 theta is basically 4 sine square theta and cos square theta. Maybe that's an identity that's not in the MF19 and you just fucking remember it. Wait. Okay, so basically, the thing is, let me just show it here. No, where should I show it? Let me just show it here. I'm not gonna do this. So we can write 4 sine square cos theta cos square theta as 2 square sine square x, then 2 sine x cos x whole square, and 2 sine x cos x is basically sine 2x. So sine 2x whole square and sine square 2x. Mind you guys, it won't be 4x or 4x square, okay? So yeah, congratulations. Let's replace the x with theta and we can get integration of cos theta plus sine square 2 theta. Okay. So if we integrate sine square, what do we get? Sine. You know what? I'm not gonna do it. Nah. Hell nah. Okay, this is where I mess up. So we actually need to find the BC, but why? Okay, so we need to find the BC vector, which is basically 3 3 negative 3, and then what do we do? The equals, or what do we do? Okay, so basically what I understood is we need to write the general form of vector equation for a line, that's like r is equal to a plus lambda d, where a is the point on the line and d is the direction vector. And we can use like OB for some reason. Like it reminds me of Loki season 2. Again irrelevant Kothabatra. Three. Man, why do I always write I as iota in vectors? Well, so r is kind of like 5 2 0 plus lambda 3 3 negative 3, and that's not it. It was 5 2 0 plus but you know what the final answer is? Yeah, this is it. This is it, guys. This is the final answer. I think I can do it now. Okay, so I'm gonna do it with the blues, like L1 is basically 5 plus lambda 1, 2 plus lambda 1, 2 plus lambda and negative lambda. So is 2 plus 3 mu is 5 plus lambda. So yeah, we actually made an equation, 3 mu minus lambda 5 plus 2 minus lambda is equal to 6 7. And whenever I hear 6 7, or whenever you see somewhere, like, it's always the meme, guys. I mean, the brain rot. Man, the mu in blue is kind of fire. And then another one, negative lambda. We can just input the value of lambda, right? We can just input the value of lambda, can't we? It gives negative lambda is this, so lambda can be 2 mu minus 4. So we input the value of here. So mu minus 2 mu minus 4 is equals to 1. So mu minus 2 mu is minus mu, plus 4 is equals to 1, minus mu is equals to 1 minus 4 is equals to minus 3, mu is equals to 3. We have mu, and we don't even need to use like equation 1, like 3 minus 3 minus 7. We can just 3 to 6 is minus 4 is 2. Yeah, we didn't even need to use this one, and we already have it. The examiner's might get confused, but yeah, this is how. So B is done and dusted. Find the position vector of D. Okay. We need to find AB, which is the root of 7 square plus 1 square plus the root of 66. State BD is in component form. AB equals to BD is blah 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 blah. This. And honestly, guys, I can't anymore. Ah. I can find R like somehow, but where is OD coming from? Let me check. Native sound. Okay. So I'm actually make a mistake here, so it should be 520. So it should be 7 1 negative 4, and then we need to find the magnitude of AB. Like, I guess I will be erasing this or whatever. Anyway, this is not what it's meant to do. Man, this thing sucks. Yeah, you can stay there. Yeah, so the magnitude of AB is 7 square plus 1 square plus minus 4 square. Yeah, this is the magnitude of AB, guys. AB. We have the equation of L2. Okay. The equation of L2 is minus 2 plus mu 3 1 minus 2. Okay. So OD is OD L2. Anyways, let me just write here. I mean, we already figured this out for some reason. So this is BD, guys, Bangladesh. Yay. Anyway, sorry for the cringe if you guys cringe. We are given that AB is equals to BD, so honestly at that point I'm just doing it like just to show you guys. So 66 is 3 mu minus 7 whole square plus mu minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 2 mu whole square. And then we expand it, then we do 66 equals to this, that, and whatnot, and we get mu is equals to 0 and mu is equals to 30 by 7. If mu is equals to 0, however this is my OA. However, this is actually OA, so nope. So if mu is equals to 30 by 7, OD is 767. 37 by 7 and 32. Then this is pure brain rot, bro. And this is the actual brain rot, guys. Tum 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 sahur is still fine. 6-7 is fine, but not this paper. I don't know who. I mean, no one really watches my videos, but yeah. Am I going to do number 9? Hell no. I'm not going to do anything right now. I'm done. Anyways, yeah, sorry, like I know this remains incomplete, but I just can't with this paper anymore. I just can't. My god. Like, this is like the worst thing about A levels is, okay, in A levels computer HSC we have less memorization, but man, the paper is sometimes it's like so unpredictable. Like, your luck plays a huge factor here. Like, luck shouldn't play this much of a factor in paper. And by luck, I mean obviously you need hard work, you need proper practice, you need to understand the concepts and all. But even if that's the case, like if the question paper is hard, like maybe let's say individually you might be able to solve every questions, but or like if you were doing like topicals or whatever, but if you're like doing a proper exams like where you are like 1 hour given 1 hour and 50 minutes, you have to do all of them. So maybe let's after first, like even if you do the follow the strategy of doing the easy ones first, like there is, I mean, in this paper there are like much easy ones. Like even the partial fractions felt tricky. So if you do that, I mean, okay, let me start from the white paper. Yeah. So if you do that, then maybe you can get 2 to 3 questions done, and later every question is so messed up that after doing a few, you will just like your brain will get fried, and you will not be able to solve a lot of questions. You will panic. You will, man, like, why is it so hard? You will start thinking, man, I need to give a retake. Man, my dreams are over. Man, my parents' money are going to waste. So yeah, like, just pray that. I mean, I also need to pray that the question paper at least comes average. Like, I'm not saying that, let it come really easy, but at least average. Like, I mean, I don't know, man. P1 for our last year was like fairly easy, and that really literally was one of the best math exam of my life. Not the I'm not sure, I won't say it's the best, but it was one of the best exams of my life. And the 2024 one, man, that was one of the worst math exams of my life. I mean, mechanics was way worse, but I'm talking about pure maths here. So, like, the thing is, like, so unpredictable. Like, sometimes it might come easy, sometimes it might come difficult. So, like, imagine if you pay a lot of money and a difficult paper falls. Like, so, like, you just missed up, man. It's just like I don't know, man, why Cambridge is like, I mean, sometimes easy, sometimes hard. Like, I just don't know. This is literally the worst thing with A levels. And I'm not sure if papers will get leaked this time, and paper leaks is also a bad thing. Like, unless, like, you are the only person who gets the leak, otherwise, like, the grade thresholds get messed up. Okay, okay, and yeah, about grade thresholds. I know if the paper is hard, like, the grade threshold is like lenient towards the students, but again, that leniency isn't worth it. It's not worth the hard paper. It's not worth the mental trauma that you will go through if you get hard paper. So, man, I just want to get done with A levels, like, with a decent grades, like, and hopefully I can get into a good university. Otherwise, man, I just don't know. I'm scared right now after doing this paper. I don't know what will happen. Like, I feel like my B might get downgraded to a D if this continues. Or, like, if I get a hard paper. So the only thing I can hope is, we get easy paper. And I just want to be done with A-levels, man. I've been in A-levels, like, for this, like, about 3 years right now. Actually, totally it will be 2.5 years, but my O-level was half years longer, so I just want to get out of this O-levels and A-levels setup, man. Like, it started back in 2022. I mean, I didn't have any exam in 2022, but, the exam preparations, the mocks, O-levels so near 2022. Then it continued to 2023, 2024, 2025, and this is 2026. And I just want to get out of this era. I just want to get into uni already. Like, I'm just done with Cambridge at this point. Anyways, enough of, like, I don't know, like, is it enough of me crashing out? So I just don't know, man. I just don't know. Anyways, see you guys in my next video, whenever that is. I don't know, will it be an A-level video or what it will be? But anyways, till then, see you. Bye bye. Good night or good morning, whatever.